Hey guys, what kind of bird am I? Also, we're gonna learn all the birds' names. So let's start. This. Give me some. I have pink feather and long straight legs. What kind of bird am I? What do you think it is? A pink fur? Just think what is this?
Phone number?
What do you think, everyone? I'm gonna give you a second. I'll give you 10 seconds, please. Starting now. Okay. Time's up. So, let's see, everyone. I think it's a flamingo. And it's a flamingo. If you got it wrong, that's okay. Let's go. I have big round eyes that can see at night. What kind of bird am I? I'll give you 2 seconds. Start now. Okay, so I think this is an owl. Do you think that? Okay, let's see if I'm right or wrong. An owl! She said something else like a bird. That's okay. We're learning. It's not question time. I have black eyes and white feather, but I cannot fly. What kind of bird am I? What do you think? Give you 10 seconds. Start now. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay. I think it's a penguin. Do you think a penguin? Okay, let's see. A penguin. This is a penguin. Well, now, what do you think? I have webbed feet and catfish in my pouch. What kind of bird am I?
Do not guys touch my computer, okay? I'm doing something.
I think it's a duck. Do you think it's a duck?
Did you hear me?
Maybe I'm wrong. Maybe I'm right. Let's go see. Let's find out. A pelican. If you said pelican, you're right. If I said a duck, I was wrong. I was mistaken. My head has no feather, and I eat the dead. What kind of bird am I? What is he? Okay, let's see. Let's find out who it is. It's a vulture. Vulture. Please wait. Okay, so now we're on page 21. Okay, what is going on here? This computer is so slow. Okay, yeah. Oh my god. Okay, guys. I think this is the end. Yeah, it says it. It says it. So, bye, guys. This is the last one. Recorded with Screencast-O-Matic.